Ayan guys, tikiman na. Ang sarap ng amoy.
Blast the block. Enemy and friend is not an option. We all listen now, we go dance and start. Sing Salavin, I'm an
Hi guys, today I'm gonna cook orange beef. Ito. Any kind of beef. First, we have to slice it first. If you don't want the taba-taba, just cut it off. Ayan. Ganito lang guys ang ang cut off niya. Ganito ka hiwa-hiwa. Then slice together. After that, we're going to marinate. This is good. This is very delicious, guys. And if you don't know this recipe, you can try this. And also, this is Chinese people love this recipe. Dao. But I love it too. In case you want to make this on Christmas, why don't you try it? Okay. Just separate lang sa mga fats na ayaw nyo. Tanggalin lang yung mga fats. So, hiwain ko lahat to guys at babalikan ko kayo. So, after slicing it into the bite size, hinugasan ko na siya guys. Then, lagyan natin siya ng konting salt to taste. Konti lang, napadaming. Just lang. Just mix it together. Then pepper. If you have white pepper, much better. I have here also my Himalayan salt, but no, I'm going to use soy sauce for marinating. Just a little bit. 1 teaspoon. It's okay. Then mix together. Mix lang natin. Then after that, guys, we squeeze. Binalatan na natin ang orange. I peel it already. So, ito guys, we have one half squeeze natin at 1/2 mamaya gagamitin natin. So, ayan, in-squeeze lang natin for marinating. Ang sarap nito, orange. So, ayan, mix together again and again. Then, after that, so now, we have to put all-purpose flour. Ayan, for marinating purposes. So guys, we have to soak it for about 20 to 30 minutes. So, isok muna natin after 20 to 30 minutes. Now, let's prepare the sauce. Again, I use soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. And this is white vinegar. 2 tablespoons also. Then the orange juice. Ayan. Yung 1/2 ng orange juice. Yan natin. So mix together. By the way guys, we also need this apple cider vinegar. Just half a teaspoon lang. So now guys, let's cook. Ayan, ano natin yung lagyan natin ng konting mantika. Ang ating low heat lang natin guys ang ating mantika ay ikalan. So now let's start cooking. Ayan, ito na yung minarinate natin na beef. I-prito lang natin. I-prito muna natin. Guys. Then, natin, balik pa rin. Again guys, kahit ano klaseng beef, tenderloin or any other, as long as beef siya. Ayan guys, tapusin natin ang pag-prito sa ating beef at babalik ako after mag-prito ng beef. Okay. So now, let's slice the onions. Much better guys kung maraming onions, the more taste good. Ugasan muna natin. Ayan. Sa paghihiwa ng onions, pag ganun siya guys, pabilog. So the more onions, much better. So we have to slice another one. So ayan. So ulit ako ng isa para mag-slice ng isa. So tapos na guys ang pagprito-prito natin ng beef mixture. Ngayon, yung pinagprituhan natin, dyan natin igigisa ang sibuyas. So, wait lang guys. At igigisa, ano ba to? Isa-isa. Ang sarap daw, sabi ng Junakis ko. Ayan. Yan na natin. Lagyan natin ulit ng konting mantika. Konti lang. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng itong hiniwa nating sibuyas hanggang maluto. Ayan na guys. Lagyan natin naman ng garlic. Hanggang medyo mag-brownish siya. Lahat mag-brownish ang color. So, after that guys, ilalagay natin ang ating sauce mixture na ginawa. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos guys, lagyan natin ng kaunting tubig, mga 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons na tubig. So, anuhin lang natin na pakuluan. So, habang kumukulo siya guys, ilagay na natin ang ating beef na prinito. Diyan. Ayan. So, paghalo-haluin lang natin hanggang kumunti lang yung tubig. So, balikan ko kayo guys pag okay na siya. Okay, for the meantime, patakpan ko muna siya ng takip. Ayan. So, ayan na mga friendship. Ang sarap ng amoy. Masarap ito sa Noche Buena ninyo. Pagsalu-saluan, guys. I guaranteed masarap siya at saka malasa. So guys, ito pa yung orange. I-slice naman natin para ilagay doon sa ating niluto. Tanggalin lang yung mga balat-balat pa. Kasi ayan. Ayan yung orange. Orange. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng konting turmeric para medyo maano naman yung ng turmeric. Guys, kasi maganda kasi sa katawan yung turmeric. Ayan, nilagyan na natin ng orange at ihahalo-halo na natin. Again guys, kasi dapat mahina lang yung apoy nyo ha, kasi pag malakas yung apoy, masusunog agad. Lalo na konti lang yung tubig na hinalo natin. So, ayan guys, wala ng tubig. So, pwede na natin kainin ang ating recipe for today. So, thank you for watching guys. I love you all. Titikman na natin. So, ayan guys, tikiman na. Ang sarap ng amoy. So guys, ayan, tikman natin yung very soft siya. Tapos yung orange na naghalo guys. Ang sarap. Guys, subukan nyo. I guaranteed masarap siya. This is all for now. Thank you for watching. This is Simply Shayla. I love you guys.